Hello children, here let us see, we have got a system in which there is a cell over here. The negative terminal is attached to a conductor which consequently is attached to a conducting plate. Positive terminal same is attached to a conducting plate. These plates are called electrodes. Alright. Now negative electrode will have abundance of electron and positive electrode will have scarcity of electron. So I put NaCl salt solution over here. What happens? NaCl, as I said, is an electrolyte. So it will break or up into ion. We use the term dissociation. It will dissociate into positive ion and negative ion. It will dissociate into positive ions and negative ions. Now what will happen? You see, positive get attracted to the negative terminal. So that means the cation, positive ion is the cation. It will get attracted to the negative terminal. So cations will move to negative electrode. Negative electrode. Cations will move to negative electrode. That is why the negative electrode is called the cathode. So cation, positive ion, cathode, negative electrode. So this you have to always remember. Alright, so negative electrode is the cathode. And same way, chlorine atom will get attracted to the positive electrode. So anions will move to positive electrode. Therefore, the positive electrode is called anode, while the negative electrode is called the cathode. Now, here only you try to understand. Now, here only you try to understand the concept of electroplating. Chemical effect of electric current is used for electroplating. You see, Na is a metal. So the metal goes and gets deposited on this surface. Suppose this is an article, a key ring or something like that. So there will be a metal deposited because sodium will go over here and it will gain electron, neutralize and get deposited over there. All the metals are normally depositing on the cathode. Remember this. And all the non-metals, in case they are depositing, they will be depositing over the positive electrode. So metals on cathode, metals are normally found on cathode. That means metals form positive ions, as you know, and they are found, therefore they will go to the negative electrode and get deposited over there, and non-metals will get deposited on the positive electrode. That means non-metals, if you have to search on an electrode, they should be found on the positive electrode. So this is very, very important. Now electroplating, suppose I have got potassium iodide. Now I change this. I have say for example a coin attached over here, and I have some metal plate attached, and I take potassium iodide solution over here. So what will happen? Let us see. Potassium iodide, potassium is a metal, so K plus plus I minus. So what will happen? Let us see. Potassium will move to the, potassium is a cation, it's a metal, it will move to the negative electrode and get deposited over here, while iodine will get deposited on the coin. So the iodine color, the coin will look like iodine color because a thin film of iodine around this will be formed. Because iodine is negative, so it will move towards the positive electrode. The positive electrode is connected to the coin, so the coin will get electroplated. This we have to always remember. So iodine plating can be done. Electroplating normally is just the opposite thing. Electroplating, for example, suppose you have got a silver ornament. You have got a silver ornament, say for example, but you want it to be look like you want it to appear like gold. So what we do is, In the same case, suppose you have got a locket. So what we do, suppose we have to do gold plating. So intentionally the article to be plated, say for example, you've got a locket. You've got a locket, and here what we do, we take up gold, pure gold. Gold is AU. And we take up a gold salt, say for example AuCl2, say for example this. Alright. Now what will happen, or any gold salt we take. So what happens, the gold salt, whatever it is there, the gold salt will form positive ions, and the gold atoms will drop in here from the positive electrode, and it will move to, since metal ions are positive, so they will move to the positive electrode and get deposited. So on the silver there will be gold plating. So electroplating is used to form films of desired metals on any article, and always the article which has to be electroplated is taken on the cathode, because normally we do metal electroplating, so the metals will always get deposited on the negative electrode. So if I have to plate it with gold, I will take gold anode and I will take gold salt, and the plate, what will happen, gold will not stay in the positive plate, so it will jump down to the solution. From here the gold ions will move, because gold ions will be positive ions, so they will move on the article and get deposited, which are the article is present or tied to the or connected to the negative electrode, that is cathode. So electroplating is one of the very important use of chemical effect of electric current. Thank you.